Welcome to Careers of Future. Uh, as you are aware that we try to bring in stories from learners who have started their journey in the digital domain and
Yes.
the kind of work that they are doing. So your story is one of those. And for the viewers, here is Partha, who has started a e-commerce platform in the context of fashion. Or is there any other way you'd like to introduce your
Uh,
initiative? Uh,
yeah. So
Kirtikala.
yeah, it's called Kritikala,
Okay.
and basically, I created it for the empowerment of weavers, so that I could connect weavers directly to the customers, since they are not tech savvy, and I just thought about helping them through this platform.
Okay, interesting. But as we know, there are many such initiatives for the weavers, women empowerment. There are a lot of handicraft, handloom related e-commerce sites as well. So why one more? Or how
Uh,
is it going to be different?
Yes, so saris online is not a new thing. There are many businesses, many startups that are promoting on that have websites and social media pages for handloom items. But Kritikala focuses on online shop making online shopping process easy and very understandable.
Mhm.
As we assist our customers through Facebook Messenger, Facebook chats, WhatsApp chats, and even on video calls, so that we are able to communicate with them with all their queries and doubts related to products, so that we have reassured them of what they are buying and what they are putting into their money,
Mhm.
putting their money into. Yeah,
Okay.
and we have observed that uh, people are hesitant to buy when they are asked to ask for prepaid payments. So we have ensured COD deliveries pan India.
Okay. So
Yes.
interesting. So I hear you say multiple interesting things that you are trying to build in this. How long
Yes.
have you been running Kritikala?
Uh, I started in September 2020,
Okay, so it's
along with this course only.
okay.
Yes.
So it is more like a 6 months old experimentation for
Yeah.
you.
Yeah.
Okay, interesting. Now in this, what I hear you say is that you are looking at assisting people to buy better. So the experience people had on an offline store of someone helping one choose is what you're trying to create on the digital front, and that's where your dependence on social comes into play.
Yes, since there are a lot of women that don't know how to place order, and they need a lot of assistance. They just don't believe what we show on our websites and all. Since websites just have product descriptions and product images, they don't assist you in what you are buying.
Hmm.
So
So
that's
what
where,
kind of assistance, if you can tell me one or two stories that makes you believe that there's a model that actually is going to help.
yeah. So there was one of our customers who had to buy saris for her daughter's wedding.
Mhm.
Yeah. So, but since our brand, we do have a lot of good products, but it's since it was a new startup, it was hard for her to believe in the brand and order something online for the first time. So I reassured her, I video called her and showed her all the products and saris, opened it and all the colors and all I showed to her, and she placed the order. And after that, she placed six more orders.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
So
that interaction created more trust and credibility.
yes, yes.
Okay, okay, that's good. But wouldn't it take a lot of effort at the shop side in terms of? So how do you plan to scale it up as you look at going forward?
Initially, we'll have to work hard on each customer since it's a new startup, and and in future, I aim to keep a lot of workers for this thing for assisting the customers and training them by training the workers in assisting the customers in the right
So
direction.
by that you mean basically the weavers who you're going to help. You want
Yeah.
to engage them in this process as well.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, that's interesting. So that would require a lot of digital literacy to be created for them as
Yes.
well.
Yes, sir.
Okay, interesting. So fashion, generally people have been talking about using a lot of content-led, let me say, marketing for engagement, for even at times generating more leads. So what has been your experience with content? Or do you have a special plan for content in the context of site?
Content marketing is really a crucial part in any fashion business, and we were just being honest with our content. We didn't use any models, or we didn't go for any studios for the photo shoots. We did it ourselves and in normal lighting on a white bed sheet, and that's what made it look original and authentic. Like it's not fake. Yeah. So like the pictures were clicked so clicked without any filters, and yeah, the customers were really happy to get what they saw on Facebook.
Okay.
Because many times what they see has a lot of difference in what they actually get after after placing the order.
Okay. So
That's when
another trust point. So
yes.
one way to build trust was the kind of engagement where you are using multimedia, you are using video calls or
Yes.
messengers to have a one-on-one
One-on-one
interaction or conversation. The second, as you said, that whatever visual content that you're creating, you are trying to keep it as candid as possible.
Yes, sir.
No kind of finishing touches, no Photoshop.
Yeah, but we ensured that we include all the comprehensive details about the products and a proper call to action so that it is easy for customers to reach us.
So when you say details, if you can elaborate like what you usually put in, which you have seen in other such fashion websites are missing.
Yeah. For example, we try to keep the caption short and so that the call to action is visible. And yeah, the details include the name of the sari, and it includes a WhatsApp number, and sometimes it also includes messenger call
Details
to
as
action.
well. Okay,
Yeah.
right. But about the product, do you give extra details than what usually people put across?
Once the customer reaches us, then we give all the details.
Okay.
Initially, we just put the name of the sari and the and from where the sari belongs, from which part of the country the weaving
Okay.
has been done. Yeah.
Okay. And do you use blogs?
Not yet.
Not yet. What do you
Yeah.
think? Do you find it useful, or do you have plans? I know it's early days of your, stabilizing the business. So you're trying to manage some amount of revenue at the same time. You're trying to,
Yes, sir.
probably make the digital assets better as well. So what is your thought around that? Have you given a thought? I'm sure you'd have checked out multiple other such websites as well. So what is your take on role of blogs, or are there already too many? How you want to do it, or you want to do it in a very different way?
Yes, I think blogs can help us reach many people, but we have to stand out and put some unique content over there.
Mhm.
So I'll plan in future what to put over there.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's
but I plan on posting blogs too.